What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Anthony with another banger, 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 banger. Already know video. And today we're gonna be ready to it is in trucks. So this I think this whole video is gonna be about it is in trucks. So let's check this out, y'all. Y'all ready? Let's go. Oh, we got it. Look at them. What are you doing? Oh, I was about to say. Oh, you better flip it. Yo, what are you doing? My boy, what are you doing? You can't do that. Oh, look at you. Lost control. Look at you. Lost control. Idiot. Nah, these so idiots driving for real. Gone. Oh. What are you doing? Okay. Definitely don't want to live there. Alright. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. This is why you can't live nowhere, y'all. Exactly why you can't live nowhere. And then just push out the way. So we got the next one. Truck driver going around a truck. And look at this. What that sign say? And he crashed. Look at that smoke. Okay, we ought to seen that one. So that truck got too close to them. Look at this. Truck hit the wall. Okay, that just happened. That's a train. Wow. Okay, truck driver gets a train. I think the train gonna win. Look at this police right there. I see that police car right there. Stop him. Oh, he about to get hit. Wait for it. Wait for it. And you about to get hit. There you go. There you have it. He got hit. Shit, why would you do that, man? Oh, got another police car right there. Oh, that's the same. That's a different one. Oh yeah, we're gonna watch a couple more. We got another. This one gonna be a good one right here. Look at that red car. Y'all see that red car right there? Gonna do it. Idiot. Bam. Bam. They see that red car. I gotta turn that. Gotta turn that down. So we go watching this blue car? Oh, this truck coming right now. Okay, watch this truck right here, y'all. Bam. So they both, cause he slowed down waiting for his truck, and truck drivers really can't slow down that quick. So he hit him. So yeah, look at this, y'all. That's a lot. That's crazy. Idiot. Look at this idiot. What are you doing? Boy, you better get your butt hit real hard. Don't do that in front of that truck, bro. What are you doing? Oh, he can't. Oh, he's smart. Truck driver smart right here.
There's plenty of room for him to just slow down and merge behind them. I'm happy that guy's not giving in. Just let them get in front of them. What an idiot, man. Fucking idiot.
Alright, we're gonna stop this video in a minute here.